Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So when I lock the device, you'll be able to see that I do have a pattern set right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. As you can see, this will take us to boot mode. So in here, you have only three options: recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot. And you navigate through these three options using only volume up. As you can see, this arrow will just keep going down, and then it will jump straight up to the top. So that's what you want to have selected. First option, which is recovery mode. And once it is, press volume down to confirm it. After a moment, you will be taken to the recovery mode. So in here you can use both volume keys to navigate, and you want to use those in order to select wipe data factory reset. Once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, then select yes. This will give you an entry right here, formatting data. Give it a moment and it should give us data wipe complete, as you can see. And reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once more. This will initiate that reboot and continue the process in the background. Now it will take the device a little bit longer than it most likely usually takes it to boot up fully, so just be patient. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.